Hello guys! Welcome back to Arvin and Aiza official channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Day off namin today, kaya nag-drive kami papuntang Bangendo, a cozy town just 45 minutes from Canberra, para mag-early Christmas shopping sa local shops. Alam niyo naman, December is getting busy, kaya sinulitan namin to habang chill pa. Tara, sama kayo! As usual, before tayo umalis, we pray together for a safe and smooth travel. Oh ha? Holding hands pa yan. Sweet yarn! Ayan! Andito na tayo guys! Yay! Alam nyo, ang cute-cute ng town na to. Small lang siya, but I find this place classy kasi ang daming cute na shops dito. Our first stop is the Malbon. This is actually a well-known retail collectible shop here in Bangendo where you can find different items such as antiques, homewares, and art collectibles. Meron din silang gifts and pre-arranged preserved blooms and sobrang cute talaga nila. Alam niyo ba, malapit sa puso namin ni Arvin yung mga ganitong shops kasi we used to own a flower and gift shop business back in the Philippines. Kaya siguro sobrang nag-e-enjoy kami sa mga places like this kasi syempre nostalgic and parang may konting kilig kasi it reminds us of where we started. Sa totoo lang, we find it really fulfilling every time we get to help small business owners. As previous entrepreneurs, ramdam na ramdam namin ang challenges ng pag-maintain ng ganitong klaseng mga negosyo. This is one thing I truly admire about the Australian communities. Malakas ang support system, both from the government and the people, para sa local shops and sa local products. Most of these are family-owned businesses. Kaya guys, if you're looking for a way to give back this Christmas season, shop local and support local. And in all fairness most of the products here are handmade and high quality. Plus, hindi mo siya makikita basta-basta sa mga bigger shopping centers. Kaya kapag binigay mo siya as a gift, they will truly feel special. After buying some gifts, medyo nagutom na po tayo guys, kaya dumiretso na kami sa cafe next door. It's our first time to try Eric's Cafe. Al fresco yung dining setup nila dito, kaya sobrang chill lang ng lunch natin. Sakto lang, walang rush, sarap tumambay. So guys, eto na pala yung orders natin. I ordered the fish taco, habang si Arvin naman, fish and chips with garden salad. We also tried their watermelon slush. Perfect na perfect talaga for this sunny day. Masarap yung fish nila crispy, tapos hindi masyadong thick yung coating. Masarap din yung homemade dip. Hindi yung usual na tomato sauce na makikita sa ibang restaurants. And okay din yung serving size, lalo na for people na medyo conscious sa weight gain. So, sakto lang. Ang pinaka-okay talaga is yung price. Very reasonable, lalo na with this kind of view. Hi, very relaxing. So, after eating, pinuntahan naman namin yung nearby nursery. Kami kasi ni Arvin, personally, gustong-gusto talaga namin yung mga ganitong lugar. Magaan kasi sa mata, nakaka-relax. So, parang nakakahinga ka ulit. So, siguro, someday, God willing, when we have a place of our own, definitely must have ang garden sa future house namin. So, from the Melbourne, punta naman tayo sa another Emporium shop here in Bangor. Of course, pareho na naman kaming nag-enjoy ni Arvin, kaka-window shop, at bumili ng additional Christmas gifts. This place actually reminds me of the Pit and Arcade in Quezon City. Hindi ko sure guys if naalala nyo pa yon or kung existing pa siya ngayon, pero ang dami talagang similarities. Here, you can find pretty house items made by local makers. Furniture pieces, antique collections, and meron pa silang mini nursery sa likod. So, sobrang nice. Ang ganda ng place, very chill, and highly recommended talaga to visit if you're looking for something nice and relaxing to do on a weekend. And that's it guys, we're done with the shopping and time to go back to Canberra. Let's go! The following weekend, medyo naging busy naman kami ni Arvin for our church Christmas party. Kaya saglit kaming nag-shop for some extra things that we needed. And after that, magpa-practice kami ng dance presentation with some of our friends. You know what guys? Maganda ang mga groceries dito sa Australia. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ang unang bubungad sa'yo is yung mga healthy options. Nung bago pa nga lang kami sa Australia ni Arvin, dito talaga ako sobrang na-amaze kung gaano ka-intentional yung mga Aussies when it comes to health and fitness. Obvious naman no, ito pa lang very easy access na yung mga healthy food sa kanila. So guys, we're almost done. Time to pay. Dito sa Australia, you can choose to pay at the assisted cashier or self-service checkout. Sa atin kasi sa Pilipinas, di ba? Complete package pa talaga with bagger and all. Pero dito, hindi yun uso. Cashless din ang transaction and we just need to tap our cards for the payment. So, hindi ka talaga forced to withdraw sa mga ATM or pay in cash all the time. Very convenient. So after namin mag-shopping, dumiretso na kami sa bahay ng friend namin na si Ethel kung saan ando na rin yung iba naming friends waiting for us. Medyo late na kami, so pasensya na guys.
Wala ako ha.
Guys, kain mo na!
To run the store. He used to be the boss. The store guy used to be the boss.
Shop out.
But he's good.
You're in the middle. You're in the middle.
I'll be in the middle. Left side, right side.
Tingnan nyo naman guys kung gaano kami nag-enjoy. Practice pa lang to ha. Bonus na rin, magandang workout talaga to para sa amin kasi lahat kami pinagpawisan. And of course, eto na ang final dance presentation namin. Enjoy!
It's Christmas time again. I got one question if you let me. What did you get me? Is it a tie? So something bad? Could you make it?
After the Christmas party, sobrang napagod kami ni Arvin and we had to recover for almost 2 days. Can you imagine that? Due to our hectic schedule. Pero hindi rin naman namin nahindian yung invitation ng friend namin si Sarah to do evening hunt ng mga Christmas decorated houses around their suburb. Actually guys, bukod sa pagod, medyo in pain ako dito. Kaya I decided to just do a voiceover kasi mahina yung boses ko while speaking sa video. Last time kasi nagpa-dental treatment ako and medyo sore pa ang left gums ko kaya hindi ako makapagsalita ng maayos. Pasensya naman. So dito, I'm just sharing na it's about 8 p.m. na but the sun is still up as in maliwanag pa talaga. We are at the peak of summertime na kasi dito sa Australia kaya medyo late na ang dilim. Cool naman ang breeze pero sa morning sobrang init as in striking hot ang weather. Pero di siya humid ha. Sobrang dry and feeling ko kaya di kami masyado pinagpapawisan. Anyway, ayun nga, papunta kami sa bahay ng friend namin and doon na kami magpa-park while waiting for the sun to come down. Syempre, hindi na natin ma-appreciate ang lights if maaraw pa, diba? Dati na rin namin ginawa ni Arvin to when we were still new in Canberra. Pero sa ibang suburb yon and sobrang busy ng road at that time. We'll see if the same level lang siya ng una naming napuntahan. Hopefully, it's not that bad. Ayan, guys, andito na tayo. Wow, grabe. Paskong Pasko na dito. Ang gaganda ng mga lights and Christmas decorations ng mga bahay. Feeling ko nga, parang nasa Pilipinas lang din kami kasi ganitong-ganito din mag-setup ng decors tayong mga Pinoy, di ba? Saka, ang maganda ngayon, since weekday kami pumunta, hindi siya crowded. Kaya parang nasolo namin ng moment. Grabe, ibang-iba talaga ang joy na dala ng Pasko, no? Sana palaging ganito. Ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin dito. Kulang na lang, mga bibingka at puto bumbong sa kalye. Very nostalgic. Pag ganitong panahon, nakakamiss din ang Pasko sa Pilipinas. Pero we're still grateful to be here in Australia. Relax lang dito and medyo peaceful pero you can still feel the spirit of Christmas here. I think guys, we will end it here na. Medyo dumidilim na kasi and may mga pasok pa kami tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Till our next vlog. Bye!